Nowadays, we got more and more attacks on cyber networks. Causes of trillion dollars every years. But most of attacks focus on website. According to research by the Ponemon Institute, more than 70% cyber attacks target on website. In Vietnam, many experts assert that this number may be more than 90%. It takes $3.8 million every year. Why many government agency and company websites still can be hacked? In many organizations, they just have 1 to 2 with staff, but they must manage 20-200 website, they cannot cover at all. Logs are very useful to detect problems, but every website can generate millions log event every day. They have limited time, they cannot read all these logs. Besides, its staff don't have enough knowledge to read, understand and detect attacks from the logs, so they never know they got attacks. They need a solution like VNCS Web Monitoring. This is Web Monitoring deployment model. VNCS Web Monitoring locate in your data center and receive log from many web server in your network. When you got attack on one of these servers, log will be sent real-time to Web Monitoring server. Web Monitoring auto-analyze and show you alert on dashboard. It also send you alert through email and SMS. From these alerts, administrator can perform immediately respond before attacker can go through system. VNCS Web Monitoring have 6 main features: centralized log management, ability to automatically log analysis and real-time alerts, support manual log analysis, monitor bandwidth and statistic various information about website, monitor website status up-down and website defacement detection. The first, VNCS act like a centralized log management system, can monitor many websites at the same time, can collect for unlimited server, and manage on unique console. The second, VNCS can auto-analysis to detect various type of attacks like SQL injection, XSS, file inclusion, even DDoS. And it can alert in real time via email, SMS. With VNCS Web Monitoring, we do everything automatic for you. You can take advantage of free time to enjoy Office. Every alert we will show you if, attack time, which website under attack, attacker IP, attack country of house, attack type and risk level. VNCS Web Monitoring can benchmark these attack dangerous or not, help you prioritize process these dangerous attack first. And if you to know more about attack, you can use third function, manual log analysis tool. You can use this tool to filter and display desired information. You also can track activity of attacker by filter this attacker IP. You can determine what he did on your system and he attack success or not. Using this tool you can focus on one log line, instead you must read millions log lines. The 4 functions, VNCS Web Monitoring provide you many statistics information about your website. On user-friendly dashboard, we will show you top attacker, top attack country, top attack type. We also statistic bandwidth to detect any consumed network bandwidth attack type like DDoS. The 5th function, we can regular automatic check your website status, to detect if your website down or up, to check your network connection quality, and immediately send email when your website down. You don't need to install anything on your website, you just need provide URL or your domain for us to use this function. On screen, we show you monitor interface. It can statistics your website status from a month or even a year. The last and most interesting functions, website defacement detection functions. You know, after take over your website, hacker can perform change your website content, put bad picture on website. They can change header, banner, leave hack by info, change picture and so on. VNCS Web Monitoring can detect any changes on your website and alert to you. So, what we can do here? Monitor many websites, detect attacks and alert manual tool for log analysis, web statistics, website status up-down and detect web deface. How we do these functions? I also want to share you some technologies we use in this solution. First, vulnerability database, tradition technologies many security vendor use. We cooperate with many security vendors to build vulnerability database for website attacks. We also have R&D Center to research new attack types and update to our solutions. Second, we use many complex algorithms to define how attack dangerous to your system or not. We use many criteria as asset value, threat level, and vulnerable level to cut risk levels. Third, we regularly update new signature from R&D to devices over the network. Fourth, we use IF reputation database to know an attacker is new, or he has performed many attacks in history. This helps us to prioritize on dangerous IP. The last technology, we call Web Snapshot. From logs we can restructure your website and architecture need to access to source code. From these snapshots we can detect any changes on your website. That is some of technologies we use in this solutions. Evaluate our solution. You can see, we build up everything from zero so we can full control and easy make change on system. This focus on actual demands from market, many government agency and enterprise need a solution like that. We also show mastery at technologies and use some creative algorithm that never used on another solutions and of course low cost. We also see disadvantages that we cannot automatic prevent attacks, we just detect after the attack happened. We will launching VNCS Web Monitoring, a service in this August. Please wait and try online. That is all. Thank you for your attention.